Hello everyone, welcome to weekly SIG Autoscaling meeting for Monday the 11th of November 2024. We have one item on the agenda at the moment that's not been addressed. Ling, do you want to take it away?
Hi, it's me.
Yep.
Yeah, hi, it's Link here, and I'm from Cloudpilot, and we are looking forward to building a Google Cloud provider for Carpenter, and we hope we can get someone from GCP team to build this provider with us. Because in the past month, we already built a Alibaba Cloud provider for Carpenter, and it will be released within 1 week. And next on our roadmap, we want to contribute a Google Cloud provider for Carpenter.
I guess I don't want to speak for anyone from Google. I guess we have at least one Google employee on the call in the form of Ray. I'm not sure what the appetite is for that from the Google side. Obviously, there's a fairly customized cluster autoscaler implementation for them already. I think even if there isn't the capacity from or appetite from the Google side to collaborate with you on that, we have already seen, I think with Cappy and the work by Almico, a path for basically community to build an implementation and then us to adopt it, even if Google don't currently have the desire to collaborate on that.
Yeah, I was just going to say I don't work on the across autoscaling side, but the folks who do are out today, so I can't speak on their behalf as well. But I think if you want to open a PR or sorry, a bug or something into the GitHub repo, and we can start the discussion there. But yeah, I think otherwise +1, like I said.
Okay, actually, we just opened a report on the GitHub, and we just hope the Google person can show support in the community to us and to support our development for the provider. And if there is any possible, if it's convenient for you, could you show your support in the community for us, or just give me some right person contacts way to let us to contact them?
Have
Yeah,
you?
Go
Sorry,
ahead.
have you got a link to that bug that you or issue you already opened?
Mm-hmm.
Could you put that? Okay. Actually, sorry, it's in the meeting notes, isn't it? My fault. Okay, so that's the repo. Have you got? You said you'd raised an issue or something already. Is that in against the autoscaler repo or?
Yeah.
Okay. Like as Ray says, the people on the Google side that sort of focus on cluster autoscaler and that side of things, they're out this week for, I think it's Polish National Day. So they should be back next week, I believe. So it might be worth us just rolling this over and have a bit more of a discussion next week with them on the call.
Okay, so I will attend this meeting next week and discuss with the person. Okay, yep. Thank you. Okay.
No worries.
Thanks so much, Lynn.
Thanks. Ray.
Yeah, quick update from our side. Maybe Jean-Marc, if you're here. Let me see.
Sure. Last week, Patrick, sorry, I forgot his last name, but Patrick proposed to look at updating HPAs to add tolerances. So instead of this hard-coded 10% tolerance allowing users to update it. I'm interested in this subject, so I reached out to Patrick. I wrote a draft cap. Patrick will come up with, he told me he would come up with comments today normally. So this cap is close, I believe, to be published, but I'm not super familiar with the process. I believe I have to find a reviewer now. How would that work?
Yeah, I say first port of call, myself or Maciek. I see Ray's already given it a review. Myself or Maciek would be probably the first port of call as SIG leads. I'm just having a look over the cap. If it involves API changes, we'll also need to bring in others just to review the changes to the APIs. So there's the sort of production readiness, etc. Just from a quick glance, I'm assuming that we're just intending on adding this to V2 of the existing API. So I think we'll probably end up needing to link it into some of the past discussion I know we had when we were graduating the V2 of the API to GA. I think this was one of the things we mentioned as like it was getting left behind and we'd like to add it in the future. So we'll probably just need to link into that past discussion as well, feature gating it, etc. Yeah, I think for a first pass, myself or Maciek is going to be the first port of call, and then we'll need to pull in others as necessary for like API review, etc.
Okay, perfect. I'll do that. As I said, I'm not very familiar with the process, so if you saw something weird just glancing through this cap, please tell me. But thank you.
Yeah, will do. Thanks for raising it. It looks pretty comprehensive from a first glance. That was all we currently had on the agenda for today. Is there anything else anyone wants to raise this week? I shall take that as a no. In which case, thanks very much everyone for attending, and see you next week.
Thank you.